What if I told you there's a world hidden beneath the surface, a realm of astonishing creatures, each more fascinating and perilous than the last? Prepare to dive into the depths of the aquatic unknown, where danger lurks beneath the shimmering waves. Today, we unravel the mysteries of the 9 most dangerous fish in the world. Number 9. Goliath tigerfish. Dive into the untamed waters of the Congo River Basin, and you'll encounter the aquatic sensation known as the Goliath tigerfish, Africa's aquatic maverick. These freshwater rebels reign supreme as nature's apex predators, boasting teeth so formidable that even piranhas might blush in comparison. Ambushing with precision, they'll take on anything that dares to ripple the waters, catching unsuspecting swimmers off guard. Weighing in at a staggering 130 pounds, these bad boys are armed with inch-long teeth and a handy set of replacements, ensuring they're always ready for a bite-sized adventure. Number 8. Wels catfish. Next up, we have the aquatic giants of Europe. These colossal creatures, with lengths reaching up to a staggering 16 feet, prowl the lakes and rivers of Europe with an air of dominance. Imagine this: distinctive flat heads, colossal mouths, and rows of razor-sharp teeth that give them an eclectic taste for everything from worms and insects to fish, rodents, frogs, and even birds. But here's the real kicker. There are chilling reports of these formidable fish turning the tables on unsuspecting fishermen and swimmers. These underwater giants aren't just part of the scenery. They're a force to be reckoned with in the watery realms of Europe. Number 7. Moray eel. Despite its snake-like vibes, this creature is a legit fish, not a slithering serpent. With a whopping 200-plus species globally, these eels are the James Bonds of the underwater scene, reaching up to 5 feet in length. Found both in salty and freshwater domains, moray eels are the ultimate stealth hunters, chowing down on a fancy menu of squid, octopus, crustaceans, and other fishy delights. Camouflaged in rocky hideouts, they're not just chilling, they're infamous for ambushing divers with moves faster than a ninja's reflexes, armed with teeth angled for a backward brawl. But that's not all, folks. Their bites pack a venomous punch, delivering not only excruciating pain, but also unleashing a toxin that wreaks havoc on red blood cells. Number 6. Boxfish. These aquatic beings share a resemblance to pufferfish, but with a twist. Sporting box-shaped bodies adorned with captivating honeycomb patterns, these extraordinary creatures span from 10 to 24 inches and call the rocky and coral reefs of the Indian, Pacific, and Atlantic Oceans home. Easily identifiable by their unique physique and mesmerizing patterns, boxfish graze on a diet of algae, worms, and pint-sized fish. What sets them apart is their defense mechanism and awe-inspiring feat. They release a toxin known as ostracotoxin into the water, a potent poison that poses a threat to anything in its vicinity, even humans. Some boxfish can prove deadly if consumed raw, introducing an extra layer of caution to the captivating narrative of these underwater wonders. Number 5. Pufferfish. Pufferfish are not just cute globes of the sea, they are also one of the ocean's most perilous inhabitants. These little guys, ranging from a cute 1-inch size to a whopping 2 feet, love to play the ultimate defense move, turning into a ball when things get dicey. Imagine a fish with its own inflatable safety mechanism. But hold your breath, because there's more to this little powerhouse. These puffing masters sport some serious weaponry, spines that magically appear when they puff up. But that's not the real kicker. They carry a secret weapon called tetrodotoxin, a poison so potent it makes cyanide look like child's play. A single pufferfish has enough toxin to send 30 grown-ups into a serious snooze. And guess what? No antidote in sight. In Japan, these pint-sized terrors go by the name fuga and grace the dinner plates of the daring. Chefs undergo intense training and need a special license just to handle these little deathballs. A tiny slip-up and the dining experience turns into a high-stakes game of chance. The smallest dose of poison can lead to paralysis and an unforgettable finale, all while the unlucky diner stays conscious until the very end. Number 4. Great white shark. With around 300 razor-sharp teeth and a bite force of 18,000 newtons, these giants are a force to be reckoned with. Roaming the coastal waters of major oceans, some exceed 20 feet in length, with the colossal deep blue tipping the scales at an estimated 5,000 pounds. Known for unprovoked attacks, great whites are considered the kings of the sea. Scientists suggest that these majestic creatures might be engaging in a peculiar taste test when approaching humans. Picture this: a leisurely swim, a curious nibble, a habit that can turn deadly in an instant. Even in these seemingly harmless encounters, the consequences can be dire. As they patrol the ocean depths, great whites exhibit an exceptional sense of smell, detecting blood from a quarter of a mile away. Whether hunting with deadly precision or playfully sampling surfers, these magnificent predators keep the seas buzzing with excitement and danger. Number 3. Oceanic white-tip shark. Meet the oceanic white-tip shark, a sleek predator with a notorious reputation in tropical seas worldwide. Sporting distinctive white-tipped fins, this oceanic assassin may not be as famous as its counterparts, the great white, tiger, or bull sharks, when it comes to attacks on humans. However, it has a chilling track record as the silent menace of the deep. The oceanic white-tip earns its spot on the danger list by specializing in targeting survivors of shipwrecks and downed planes. In a spine-tingling episode during World War II, the U.S. Indianapolis faced a watery grave after a Japanese submarine attack in 1945. Stranded at sea for 4 harrowing days, the crew awaited rescue. Shockingly, only 316 out of 890 survived, as the oceanic white-tip struck fear into the hearts of those already battling the elements. Reports suggest that in this gruesome encounter, 150 souls fell victim to the deadliest shark attack in history. But that's not all. The oceanic white-tip's deadly dance with doom continued when the RMS Nova Scotia sunk in 1942, claiming yet another tragic toll. Number 2. Lionfish. A striking resident of the Pacific Ocean that has now invaded oceans far and wide. With its vivid colors and venomous spiky fin rays, this aquatic beauty can reach up to 18 inches in length. But don't let its dazzling appearance fool you. The lionfish is a fierce predator capable of causing serious trouble. These cunning hunters employ a unique tactic, blowing jets of water at their prey to create confusion before striking. They have a taste for small fish and invertebrates, swallowing their victims whole. But beware of their venomous stings, which can induce extreme pain, vomiting, and breathing difficulties. While usually not fatal to adults, lionfish stings pose a greater threat to children, the elderly, or those with allergic reactions. Number 1. Stonefish. The undisputed champion of underwater danger. These stealthy predators, ranging from 14 to 20 inches, boast an intimidating width thanks to their wide pectoral fins. Hiding in the tropical waters of the Indian Ocean, Pacific, Red Sea, and the Great Barrier Reef, these lethal creatures have earned the title of the world's most venomous fish. It's a creature with crusty skin and razor-sharp spines, armed with enough toxin to dispatch an adult in under an hour. The stonefish is the ultimate ambush predator, lurking on the ocean floor where its camouflage game is unparalleled. With skin that seamlessly blends into rocks and sand, it's no wonder they're named after the very elements they mimic. The venomous spines on its back ensure protection from predators above, creating an underwater saga of survival. But fear not, for there is a glimmer of hope. Anti-venom exists to counteract the stonefish's deadly toxin, but the catch is that it must be administered swiftly, as paralysis and death loom on the horizon. In a surprising turn of events, the stonefish doesn't employ its venom to capture prey. It relies on massive, powerful jaws to snatch and gulp down reef fish and small invertebrates. Which of these aquatic assassins surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep-sea adventure, don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing explorations into the unknown.